Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I have been waiting all day for this box to arrive. Now I am really shocked that it's here on May 12th despite everything going on. I thought it was going to come a lot later. There has been massive shipping delays, which is totally understandable, and I typically will get my Ipsys around this time of the month, so I'm really excited I got it today. But I was waiting all damn day for this box to arrive. My post lady usually comes from 10:30 to 11:30 in the morning, like every single day. Even like the last week, it's always been like around that time. For today, some reason, she didn't come till like 3 o'clock. I'm driving to my mailbox in my pajamas. I think I did it like 5 times. I probably looked like a weirdo. I have the tracking link, like, you know, in the link they send you in the email, but sometimes that doesn't update right away, so I'm like, let me just go check anyways. It finally came, and lastly, I wanted to mention that this month I decided to just do the Plus. I've been doing the regular for the last 6 months, and I have been so impressed. The last time I did an Ipsy Plus was 3 or 4 months ago, and honestly, I haven't really been that impressed with Ipsy Plus. So I'm like, you know what? Let's switch it up. Let's just do a Plus this month. Let's see how well Ipsy does with my Glam Bag Plus. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what's in my May Ipsy Plus, then just keep watching. Okay, so this month's theme, according to the card that it comes with, is Get That Glow. Now, typically, when I would open up this card, I would see the list of the items that I received with their prices. Do you guys see anything? Nope. So, right off the bat, disappointed. I'm not sure if they made a mistake this month. Now, I haven't watched anybody else's unboxing videos, so I don't really know what's going on, if it's been addressed. But I'm very disappointed because every month they do that. Even with my regular Ipsy, every single month they list out the items that you got, the description and how much they are, or in like the regular Ipsy, how much the full size would be. So that's very disappointing. I'm hoping that I can go to the website and kind of total everything up for you, because especially for the Plus, I love to total up the items to see the value of everything that I'm getting. Next off, this is what this month's bag looks like. It's cute, but you guys, again, does anybody else notice that this looks like smaller than a regular Ipsy bag? The Ipsy Pluses are supposed to be larger than the regular Ipsys. So last month, just to compare, this is the regular April Ipsy, the $12 bag, and it's bigger than my May Ipsy Plus bag. So I'm not sure what's going on again. I know in the past my other Ipsy Pluses have definitely been bigger than this. I mean, this is smaller than a regular Ipsy bag. So I don't know what's going on. But in terms of what this month's bag looks like, I think that it's cute. I love this little yellow tassel for the zipper, and it's kind of like a blue ombre gradient effect that goes into the yellow, and then that's kind of like what the zipper looks like, and the inside is yellow with like, it looks like almost like confetti or whatever inside. But again, this should definitely be larger, especially because this is a Plus. So I'm going to be referring to Ipsy's website to go through all the products that I received and read some information and get the price points. So the first item that I received is this Beauty for Real High Def Mascara in Just Black. So I saw that I was getting this and I retook the quiz because I do not want any more mascaras. I'm good with mascaras right now, but it says, why you'll love it, the fastest way to give your lashes extreme length, definition, and volume, a few coats of this jet black mascara. It comes with a targeted micro brush applicator that's designed to make it easy to apply product to even the tiniest lashes. And the full size is $19. That's what it retails for. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very simple and sleek. Let's open it up and see the wand, the most important part. Yeah, so I typically do not go for wands that look like this. Hopefully you guys can see it if I do that. If I get too close, it's just not going to be in focus. This wand, I would say, would be maybe good for your lower lashes to kind of separate them and get in there and get really precise. But in terms of my upper lashes, I don't typically go for wands like this. So, I don't know. I guess I'll just have to, you know, see how it is, try it out, test it out. Again, this is the Beauty for Real High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. So item number 2 is a lipstick, and I am probably going to butcher the pronunciation of this brand, but I will try my best. It says Belle en Argent Auteur Cream Lip Color and Smoking on Screen. Let's open this up first, see what it looks like, and then I'll read a little bit about this. And I'm hoping that it's somewhat in the nude range because on my quiz I always put nudes. This packaging is really cool, you guys. I've never seen anything like it. It's really cool, very different. So hopefully I can open this up, and it's like magnetic, so that's cool. Yeah, this definitely is not a shade. I know I feel so bad, you guys, but I knew that there was a chance I was going to be disappointed going back to the Plus. I just don't understand what's been going on with the Plus lately. This is not a color that I would gravitate toward. Maybe around the holidays, but this is just too dark, almost vampy for me. I don't know. I mean, I definitely don't put this on my profile. I'm a little disappointed with this. I am curious, and I will go at the end of the video. I'm going to look and see what other products were available to get and if they had different shades in this, because I'm going to be a little upset if there was a nude shade and I got this shade instead. So anyways, let's read a little bit about this lipstick. It says, Go Glam in a Snap. Smoking on Screen is a deep berry shade with blue-red undertones that complement a wide range of skin tones. One swipe of this bold lipstick and you'll feel ready to take on the world. It also says that it's infused with natural oils like argan and jojoba. This luxe formula delivers an ultra creamy texture with an incredibly smooth application. So I don't see a price point anywhere here as well, but let me see, because sometimes if you hit, like, if you want to buy it, it'll bring you to the website, but they definitely do not have a price point on the Ipsy website, so that's disappointing as well. Again, that's why they need to include the list of what you're getting on the card, which they should have did this month. So if I hit the shop now, it directs me or redirects me to the website. So this lipstick retails for $20. So product number 3 is this Tartiste, if I'm saying that correctly, Double Take Eyeliner. So I retook the quiz when I saw I was getting this too, because I just have so many eyeliners now, so hopefully I, kind of stop getting them so I can use up the ones that I've been getting from my subscriptions. This is two-sided. This side is the pencil side. It's retractable, which is nice. And then let's look at the other side. It's the felt tip liner side. As you guys can see, felt tip liner is what I prefer when it comes to any kind of liquid liner. So I will definitely have to try this out. I'm hoping that it's good. It should be. It's a black eyeliner. Let me read a little bit about this liner for you guys so you have more information on it. It says, we love just one Tarte eyeliner, but two. Yup, Team Ipsy is full obsessed with this dual-ended gel and liquid eyeliner. Use the clay-infused gel pencil tip along your waterline to define your eyes and make them pop. Flip it to the liquid liner side when you want to create crisp lines or feline-inspired flicks. So I'm not going to read the rest. It does say that it lasts for up to 12 hours and it's waterproof, so that's actually good. And if you guys are wondering, it retails for $24. Product number 4 is the Ipsy, if I'm saying that correctly, Van Ness Magnetic Eyeshadow Quad Palette. And let's see what this looks like. It's always good when you get an eyeshadow palette. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's very pretty. Well, it's only 4 shades, you guys, and I don't know. I mean, I really hate complaining in these videos, you guys, but I'm not even that impressed with these shades. And it's, it's just 4 shades. It's magnetic. It's cool in the sense that, if you want to snap it a different color, or I wonder if even like other companies' eyeshadows would snap into here, so then you could use this for traveling. But, I definitely don't think I could create just one eyeshadow look from these 4 colors because I don't have a shade for like my transition or crease. But I'll just have to, see how they are, see what they're like. But that's what the palette looks like. Again, I will see later on if there were different colors that they were offering. But honestly, all of these colors, obviously besides the white, they're just cooler toned, and I typically don't. I am into warms and neutrals, so I don't think they're really going off my profile or my quiz, you guys. Just saying. But let me read a little bit about this eyeshadow palette. So it says, wear one alone or create smoky eyes in a snap. This versatile palette features 4 matte and shimmer shades that complement one another flawlessly. Instant color payoff. What you see in the pan is exactly what you'll see on your eyes. This satisfyingly buttery texture is ultra blendable, whether your go-to tool is a brush or fingers. I'm not going to read the rest. But wow, that's crazy. So do you guys want to guess like how much this would retail for if you were just to buy this palette with 4 shades? And I definitely think this is even more expensive than MAC. $60. That is insane. So, you know, I'll have to play around with it. Again, I'm not really into these cool tones. Hopefully product number 5 can redeem the rest. So the last product is the Illamasqua Hydro Veil Primer. So let me read a little bit about it and then I will open it up to see what it looks like. It says Hydro Veil, which is both a hydrator and a primer in one, instantly moisturizes and smooths your skin in one simple step. This futuristic clear gel formula is oddly satisfying and super addictive. Microalgae, vitamin C, and B3 work together to help maintain your skin's hydration levels so your complexion is perfectly prepped for foundation. It says plant extracts also provide a calming and refreshing feeling, leaving skin dewy and naturally radiant. So it says that this retails for $45, the full size. So I just want to open it up and see. It sounds really nice, so I'm actually, you know, really excited to try this out. So this is what it looks like, and it's actually pretty lightweight. It's not too heavy, so let's open it up and see. So it does come, I think this is supposed to be, hold on, I don't want to like break it, oh my goodness. It looks like it's like a little applicator. This is like the little applicator to apply the product. And then I just kind of want to open it up to see what the consistency is like, but I don't want to break a nail or break the packaging. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see it. It's just a very clear gel. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. I've never used a product like this before I put my makeup on, like for priming. I've never used something with this type of consistency, so I'd say maybe a little bit goes a long way with this, but I'm definitely curious to see how it performs. I just totaled up all the products and the value of my bag or box is $168. So honestly, that's not bad. That's pretty good. But then I'm thinking about that $60 eyeshadow palette, which really is 4 shades, and I'm just like, that's not a good value at all, $60 for 4 shades, but I got everything for $25, so the value is not bad. Next, what I want to do is I want to go to the website to see what other products they were offering this month. Then I will give my final thoughts on the bag. So let's see, we'll go to view all May's products. So the Murad Renewing Eye Cream, definitely would have liked that. I don't think I've ever gotten that before, so I would have loved that. Then they have the Color Rain Mimosa Moment palette. Would have loved this as well, you guys. I'm going to show you quickly, and if you got this, you're lucky, because that eyeshadow palette, like, look at that. That is warm, neutral shades. So why am I getting that? Would have preferred that. Definitely might have to write Ipsy customer service, but again, lately I feel like when you voice your concerns, and this is just my experience, they just really, I don't know, they don't really do anything about it, and that's just me being honest. So it looks like you could also get the Nomad Cosmetics. It looks like it's maybe a, what is it, a bronzer palette? Nomad and Sydney Bather's Kiss of Sun palette. Like, I would have took that. That looks okay. So let's see what else they're offering. A Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. We have two Girlactic Skin Glow Duos. I believe they're like cream highlighters. Next we have 2 liquid lipsticks from the brand Sugar Rush. Now they look kind of just as dark, like that's one of them, and it looks just as dark as the lipstick I received. Let me go to the other one. This one actually looks more of like a brown, so I wouldn't have preferred either of those, but you also could have gotten those. Then we have the Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Precise, hold on, brow gel in clear, so you could have gotten a brow gel. And then let's see what else. We've got the In Beauty Project Glaze #1 Lip Oil. Then we have Starface Hydro Stars. I'm assuming it's something that you put on your face. And then we have the Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Liquid Lipstick. Perfect shade. It's in the shade Front Row. I do have one. I'm not sure if that's the shade that I have, excuse me. But that's definitely more of a shade that I would wear. It's definitely a nude. It's not as dark as those other shades. There's actually quite a bit of products this month that you could have gotten, so I'm getting kind of upset right now. There was a 5-piece eyeshadow brush set. Definitely would have took that from MOTD. I got it 5-piece eye brush set. hello. You also could have gotten the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. I probably would have preferred that over the mascara that I got because I like the wand on this one better. And then we have, holy crap, we have 6 other liquid lipstick shades of the Tarte. Definitely seeing neutral shades in here, you guys. So this is what I mean. I'm definitely going to write customer service and kind of bitch because I'm not happy with, like, especially some of the products and the shades. It's not even in my profile. Then we've got Sugar Rush, another brush set from Sugar Rush. We've got Super Goop Shimmer Shade Illuminator. Kate Somerville, that is actually a really good skincare brand. It looks like it's some kind of serum. We've got Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior Hydration Moisturizer maybe. Definitely would have loved to get that as well. Like, what the heck, you guys? And then lastly, Sunday Riley. I love Sunday Riley. Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. So I will say overall, I am very impressed with the products that Ipsy is offering for the Plus, but the products that I got, I am not happy with pretty much at all. The primer, I am curious to try that out and see how it performs. But I'm especially getting really upset right now because I just went through the list of everything else that I could have potentially received. So I'm, you know, a little agitated about that. I'm definitely gonna voice my opinion, write customer care, see what happens. I know in previous months they definitely didn't offer this many products, so they've definitely stepped their game up in terms of offering more items for people to get more variety. If you guys couldn't have guessed already, this month's Plus for me, I'm disappointed, and I already said to myself, I go, you know what? Maybe you should just stick to the regular. You've been happy with the regular, but then I'm like, you know what? Let's switch it up. Let's do the Plus, see if it gets any better. It didn't. It's not. And I don't understand it. I miss the days when I used to absolutely love my Plus, and I am just, I mean, there's no description or any price points inside the card. I've got to go to the website to read the information to you guys. The bag is super small. It's smaller than my regular Ipsy bags. That's disappointing. And then the products, the shades, I'm just not really happy with, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what products did you guys get in your Ipsy Plus, or even Ultimate for that matter, because it's going to be the same products. Let me know, did you get any of the products that I received? Are we bag twins? Did you get completely different products that I mentioned that I would have liked to receive? Are you happy or are you disappointed with your Plus? Again, I feel bad kind of complaining. I'm just being honest. I'm not that happy with the Ipsy Plus. Next month, we're going right back to the regular Ipsy because that's where it's at. I've definitely been very impressed. Anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.